Two cashback giants. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Blue Cash Preferred, top-tier rewards for groceries and streaming. On the right, Costco Anywhere Visa, the ultimate companion for Costco and gas savings. Let's skip the marketing talk and focus on what actually matters for your wallet. Each round scores real points, and by the end, you'll see which card truly comes out ahead. The winner might just surprise you. Okay, before we get too deep, here's the mind map of categories I'll be looking at. We've got annual fee, welcome bonus, grocery rewards, gas rewards, restaurant and dining, travel, streaming and everyday, redemption flexibility, and, yep, even how good these are to take abroad. So, buckle up. We'll go through each one. First up, annual fee. Let's start with the Blue Cash Preferred. The good news? You don't pay any fee for the first year. But after that, ouch, $95 a year. Honestly, it's one of those things you need to pay attention to. Now, Costco Anywhere Visa? Technically, there's no annual fee, but you gotta keep your Costco membership paid up. So, if you're already a Costco member, it feels like a freebie. Bottom line, Costco takes the win for cost. No extra fee as long as you're all in on Costco. Moving on to welcome bonuses. Blue Cash Preferred likes to roll out that red carpet with a little something, usually a statement credit if you hit a spending target. I mean, who doesn't like a bonus? Just check the terms because these offers do swap out. But the Costco Anywhere Visa, no bonus here. Seriously, not even a sticker or anything. So Blue Cash Preferred, you win this round. All right, let's talk grocery rewards. The Blue Cash Preferred kinda shines here. 6% cash back at US supermarkets, up to $6,000 a year, then drops to 1%. But heads up, it does not include warehouse clubs like Costco. Costco Anywhere Visa is, well, basic for groceries. You get 2% at Costco and Costco.com, and nothing special at other supermarkets. So, if you're shopping outside Costco, Blue Cash Preferred totally crushes it. Oh, and here's something cool, or kinda annoying. Did you know that Costco only takes Visa credit cards for in-store purchases? So, yeah, Amex cards just won't work at checkout. If you are planning to use Blue Cash Preferred at Costco in person, you might want to rethink that. That's just a little insider tip you didn't ask for. On to gas rewards. So Blue Cash Preferred offers 3% back at US gas stations, but again, there's this cap, $6,000 per year, then it's 1%. Kinda decent if you don't drive a ton. Costco Anywhere Visa, you're looking at up to 4 to 5% at gas and EV charging, first $7,000, then 1%. Oh, and yes, this includes Costco gas. So if you're practically fueling at Costco every week, this one's got your back. Costco Visa edges ahead here. Now, restaurants and dining. Blue Cash Preferred, honestly, kind of a letdown here. No bonus category. So you're getting just the basic cash back. On the other hand, Costco Visa, you get 3% on restaurants worldwide. Pretty nice, right? I mean, this could rack up if you're going out or ordering in, especially with travel. Costco for the win. Let's pivot to travel rewards. Blue Cash Preferred doesn't really have a travel category. You do get 3% on transit, but flights, hotels, all that, just base rate. So not exactly the travel hacker's dream, but the Costco Visa comes through, 3% back on eligible travel worldwide. If Have Card Will Travel is your vibe, this one wins easily. Streaming and everyday stuff. Blue Cash Preferred is honestly kinda awesome. You get 6% back on select streaming services. If your Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus bills are starting to look like rent, this actually matters. But for the Costco Anywhere Visa, nope, streaming doesn't get any love. You'll earn 1 to 2% at best. So big win for Blue Cash Preferred if streaming is life. Redemption flexibility. This is where things get real. With Blue Cash Preferred, you can redeem your cash back for statement credit pretty much whenever, which I totally love. Some redemption types have restrictions, but you don't have to wait for a special date. Costco Visa, though, you get your rewards once a year as a certificate, and you redeem at Costco. It's not horrible, but you gotta wait, which can be kinda meh if you want instant gratification. So Blue Cash Preferred is a clear winner for flexibility. Last category, international use. Blue Cash Preferred isn't exactly travel-friendly. Foreign transaction fees apply, which means not great for jet setters. Costco Visa, however, lets you spend abroad without those nasty fees. Just keep in mind you'll need to be somewhere you can actually use a Visa. So, for no foreign transaction fees, Costco Visa takes this easily. All right, looking at the radar chart, you can really see how each card brings their own flavor. Blue Cash Preferred blows up in groceries and streaming, while Costco Visa owns gas, restaurants, travel, and international use. It's actually kind of impressive how different their strengths play out. Honestly, here's how I'd break it down. Blue Cash Preferred is killer for everyday spenders who love their groceries and streaming and want to cash out rewards whenever they want. But if most of your life happens at Costco, you fill up at their pumps, travel a lot, and want worldwide acceptance, Costco Anywhere Visa is probably your best buddy. Just make sure you keep that membership up. Hey, if this comparison helped clear things up for you, go hit subscribe for more easy credit card breakdowns and tips. I'll catch you in the next